Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Hadi. Today we have seen the unit number 2, intersection of solids. In previous lecture, we see the many problems of development of surfaces. So today we see the subject of mechanical working drawing, second year diploma mechanical engineering. So in that we see the intersection of solids. So let's start. Whenever two or more solids combine a definite curve in their intersection, it's called as curves of intersection. So in that very well there is a two or more section combine definite curve at intersection. This curve is called as curves of intersection. So in this diagram shows many of problems which is showing the intersection. So let's see the 1 2 3 4, these are the intersection of solids. So what is a curves of intersection? So in case of intersection depend on the types of intersecting solid and the manner which they are intersect. The two intersecting solid having same type or different type is the possible combination as shown in figure. So there are the many two or more different intersect in different way. The axis of solids may be parallel, inclined, perpendicular or each other. The axes are would be intersecting or coinciding. So the following case is used for the axis perpendicular and intersecting, the axis perpendicular and offset, the axis inclined and intersecting, the axis inclined and offset, the axis parallel and coinciding, the axis parallel and offsets. So write down firstly these curves of intersection, then start next section. झालं की मला सांगा. बेसिक मालूम है और विटर को काम करेगा जिसको बेसिक नहीं मालूम. ठीक है, तो आप ये बेसिक आपको कैसे मालूम होगा? हाउ यू लर्न द बेसिक्स? लर्न द बेसिक फ्रॉम द मैनुअल ट्रेनिंग. तो आप मैनुअली डिजाइन करें. ठीक है, तो सर आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? ठीक है, कितना प्रेशर आपको पेपर पे लगाना है कि आपकी लाइन ठीक हो जाए, ठीक हो जाए. डॉटेड लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करनी है, So next is the intersection. So what is the intersection? Intersection is depend on the types of geometrical forms which can be more dimensional. It is represented by multi-view drawings. For example, when conical and cylindrical shape intersect, the types of intersection depend on their sizes. So that is a line of intersections. So next is the intersection are usually by two planes lines. So that is a intersection of cutting plane lines. So write down this.
Okay. Now this is for the today lecture. Now you can
So there is having some diagrams. First method, second. So there are two types of method. First is a line method, second is a cutting plane method. In line method, number of lines are drawn from lateral surface of one of the solids in the region of intersection of solids. The point of intersection of this line with the surface of other solids then located. These points points of this line are located the surface of other solid then located. This point will be required in the line of intersection. They are more easily located from the view which the lateral surface of second point appear edgewise. The curves drawn from the points will be line of intersections. So write down this cutting plane method. So second is cutting plane method. So write down firstly line method which is shown in figure. So the friends, today we see the intersection of solids. When one solid penetrated other solids and their surfaces intersect, at the junction of intersection of typical curve is formed, which remain common in both solids. These curves is called as curves of intersection, and it is result of interpretation of solids. The purpose of this drawing is when two objects are will be joined together, maximum surface contact between both become a basic required for strongest and leak proof joints. So आता ही जी फिगर दाखवलेली बघा, both sides बघा, intersection of main pipe with main branch pipe. So that is a two cylinder. Second is a pump having shape hexagonal shape. So basically this is a steps for one solid will be standing on HP, second other penetrate horizontally. There are the three views. Name the views as per illustration. Beginning the side view, draw the three views. Also the point of on standard generator on the standing solid can be marked on respective generator. The points of side view showing to of you. Dark and dotted line decision should be taken by observing side. So this is a problem. How to show the intersection of cylinder with cylinder? So firstly mark all points, then taking all these points on side view. So write down this. Firstly, what is the point? Common steps.
document
So draw the following points. Firstly, write down this. What is the penetrations? So let's see the one of the best example. So that is a square prism penetrated by both axes, 25 mm and 70 mm axis. Both the axes intersect. So that is a one prism, second prism, then intersecting with red edges ABCD 1 2 3 4, marking on this. This is the procedure. So this is the diagram in which show the different types of prism. So this is the required answer. Let's see the another example. Let's see the second points. Intersection of two prism. So there is a intersection of two prism. Intersection of cylinder with cylinder. So in this, there is a one cylinder having lateral dimension curves. The line of intersection will be also a curve. The point of this line may be located at any above the method. So basically, this is a types of cutting plane method. So in this diagram, the plotting the accurate curve, certain critical key points, which are the changes direction, must be located. These are the point at which outermost or extreme line of each cylinder or surface of cylinder can be drawn. So write down this. So this is a illustration of cylinder. So assuming one of the cylinder cutting plane passing through the horizontal cylinder, section of horizontal cylinder rectangle, circle, the point of side with the rectangle intersect will be curve of the intersection. So this is a how to project the lines. Next, so this is a intersection cone of cylinder. So next part is a cone of cylinder. So in that there is a one vertical cone and other is a horizontal cylinder marked with points of the objections. So in this way we see the number of cutting plane methods on the cylinder and cone. Let's see them. Firstly draw the figure. These are the cutting plane method which is used. So write down this. स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटचं असं प्लॅनिंग बोलवलेलं प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटकडनं मंथ ऑफ प्लॅनिंग टाकायला लावलेले आणि यांचं झालं मागच्या मंथचा रिपोर्ट म्हणून घेतो.
ऐक ना ते तुझं कॅन्डिडेट अर्जंट बोलून घे ना. तू सांगितलं का त्यांना ते 1300चं मग बोलून घे. ऐक त्याच्या डॉक्युमेंट आपल्या.
So in this way we complete our task. Next lecture we see the practical problem on intersection of solids. So thank you.